Today I'm going to be talking about these amazing DTF transfers I got from Ninja Transfers. Every order comes with white parchment paper along with a sheet of instructions for proper application and care. Now here's my gang sheet. As you can see, all of my artwork has been printed onto one big sheet. You also have the option to have each design pre-cut by Ninja Transfers for an additional 30 cents each, which can save you a lot of time if you have several designs. Looking at the actual transfers, I'm really impressed with their quality. The colors are vibrant and on point. I've been hearing nothing but good things about Ninja Transfers, so I decided to give them a try. These transfers can go up to 22 inches wide and as long as 20 feet. The beauty about going with DTF transfers in comparison to traditional screen printing methods is that there are no setup fees or limitations with color. I haven't done a durability test on them yet, but they're telling me that the prints can last up to 60 washes or more as long as you can take care of the garments you print on. Now I'm going to show you how I apply the transfer onto a hat using a heat press. The first thing you want to do is secure the transfer onto the front of the hat with heat tape. This helps keep your graphic in place so that it comes out straight. Next, you're going to want to set your hat in place. Then you're going to press down on the heat press for about 12 to 15 seconds to apply the transfer. Once the time is up, you're going to want to let it cool down before peeling off the transfer. I'm really happy with the way this hat came out. You can literally do this within a few minutes. Now I'm going to show you how I press my graphics onto a t-shirt. This process is pretty much the same as the hat, but with bigger graphics. The hardest part about laying down these transfers is making sure that they're straight. Once you have that down, the rest is easy. It takes some time getting used to, but the more transfers you press down, the better at it you'll get over time. Ninja Transfers really makes it easy to make your own custom apparel at home. And if you don't own a heat press, you can also do this with an iron. Again, make sure you give it some time to cool off before peeling off the transfer. With this t-shirt, I'm printing on both sides, so you're going to be doing the same thing if you have a back print. What will save you the most time is if you had your whole design on one transfer. And this is what it looks like once it's done. I'm really impressed by the quality of the print. It feels just as good, if not better, than screen print. The colors really pop and look so good. I also tried stretching out the print to see what it does. It's safe to say that it's really durable, no cracking or peeling. Here's a quick on-body look of both the hat and t-shirt. Let me know what you guys think. Overall, I'm really happy with these transfers from Ninja Transfers and will definitely be ordering more in the future. If you haven't tried them out yet, I would highly recommend that you do and see for yourself. Now if you want to learn more about how to make your own t-shirts at home, you can check out these videos here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.